everyone, and thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Uniquely Tay. In today's video, I'm showing you all my coffee bar, my Valentine's themed coffee bar for 2024. Nothing in this coffee bar was purchased. Everything was different Valentine items that I actually collected these last, I'm gonna say 2 to 3 years, and I just kind of went through my stash and just combined everything together to give the look that I'm looking for. So with this area just being the kitchen itself, I wanted it to be like a sweet treat thing. My sign is a DIY of mine. It's a Sugar Rush. Right here, these are all my faux treats. I made those a few years ago. Right here are just those Dollar Tree fortune cookies in a cute little box just for extra decor. This sign right here is from my local Dollar Tree. Home is where the heart is. I got that about a year ago. And also behind here, I got my little sugar jar and my coffee. We love hot chocolate. So right over here, I just have to move a few things around. I got my hot chocolate right back there. Swiss Miss. And Dollar Tree, y'all, is carrying these cute little hearts. There are marshmallow hearts, and I thought that was so cute for the season because I really love hot chocolate, and we do hot chocolate like throughout the whole year, so I try to incorporate the different things with it. I still have my hot my tea kettle for my teas, and they also have these at Walmart too, y'all. I just purchased these during Christmas time, and it's French vanilla marshmallows, and I like to have different choices. So I got my marshmallows, my festive marshmallows here for my hot chocolate. I also have my coffee creamer for my coffee. Just want to give you all an overview of what my coffee bar is looking like right now. It looks really good. I am completely happy with it for right now. I may add some little small things, some little small final touches, but as you know, I love tea. I have my tea back here, my honey, everything that I need to make all my hot beverages during this time. So I'm so glad you all was able to tune in and watch this quick video of my hot cocoa bar for Valentine's Day. I'm so glad that you're here tuning in for another video. I thank God for you all. Continue to support my channel. I just thank God for what he is doing. And always remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy. You all have a blessed day.